A very good morning, dear teachers, parents, and dear students. Today, we have gathered again virtually to celebrate Children's Day. At the very onset of this, I would like to wish each and every child of St. Helens School, as well as all children across the globe, a very, very happy Children's Day. Children's Day each year is celebrated on the 14th of November to commemorate the birth of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also called Chacha Nehru by his children because of his immense love for them. He believed that education is the tool that could free all children and liberate everyone and make them independent and stand on their feet. This is what we too believe in, and we believe that each child should have the right to education. We at St. Helens take this pledge with all teachers together so that each of you who are a part of this family believe that one day you too will succeed with everyone's help. But before we move on, I would like to take this opportunity to make a special mention to all the teachers. While they came and practiced in school to make your Children's Day special, I found that they had rekindled the child inside them. They put all efforts, and huge thanks to them. As you see the program, you will understand why I am saying this. But each of them took way extra effort to make a small program for you so that they put a smile on your face. And we are waiting so that this pandemic gets over soon and we see you each in school one day very soon. Once again, very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fun. Children, now say, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
No. You are our little star.
Happy Children's Day.
Hope to see you soon in coming year, dear children.
We love you children a lot.
And we all miss you. And there's a business for you.
Happy Children's Day!
The jungle is a very exciting habitat where a variety of plants and animals are found. We are presenting a skit traveling through a jungle.
I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle. People already know what I am capable of. I am a bear. Sometimes I wonder if there is more to life than just eating honey. I am an elephant. If size mattered, I would be the king of the jungle. I am a giraffe. I smile because I have no idea what is going on. I am a tiger. I never lose. Either I win or I learn. I am a zebra. I have black and white stripes and I am cool and calm. Tony and Bonnie are two friends traveling through a jungle, and they suddenly arrive at the lion's jungle where they meet the king of the jungle, Liona, the lion and his animal family. Seeing the various kinds of animals, the two friends feel frightened and tried to escape from the jungle. Suddenly, Tony had an idea. The bear leads them the path out of the jungle without harming them. So children, we must love animals and avoid hunting them.
Happy Children's Day! Hey! Happy Children's Day! Happy hop, happy time, kidding around.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलते रहे खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम दुनिया चाहे बदलते रहे. Hello children, we are missing you children. Hope to see you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Children's Day.
Hello children, good morning. I am. Oops, forgetting. Oh no. Sometimes I forget everything and sometimes I forget little bit. Let me try once again. Wait. I am Jojo, yes. And I am yours. Again forgetting. Who's this? Shut up, Jojo. Hello, children. Good morning. I am your magician, and today I will show you some magic. So, are you ready for the magic? Let's start. Let's start the magic. See, this is my hand. Can you see anything? There is nothing in my hand. And now, abracadabra. Healing. What is this? Where is it came from? This is a red handkerchief. Thank you.
Children, we have gathered here to celebrate your Children's Day. Hope you will enjoy yourselves with our attitude today. First, we are wishing you a happy Children's Day from the bottom of our hearts. Happy Children's Day. We miss you a lot.
শিশু দিবসের শুভেচ্ছা জানাই প্রার্থনা করি সবাই জীবনে বড় মানুষ হন হ্যাপি চিলড্রেন্স ডে
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What a changeover, Mama.
Happy Children's Day! We all miss you and the wooden benches are waiting for you.
তোমার কাছে আমিই দুষ্টু ভালো যে আর সবাই মিত্তিরদের কালু নীলু ভারী ঠান্ডা কভাই জ্যোতিষ ভালো সতীশ ভালো ন্যাড়া নবীন ভালো তুমি বলো ওরাই কেমন ঘর করে রয় আলো মাখন বাবুর দুটি ছেলে দুষ্টু তো নয় কেউ কেটে তাদের কুকুর বাঁধা করতেছে ঘেউ ঘেউ 5 করে ঘোষ লক্ষ্মী ছেলে দত্তপাড়ার গবাই তোমার কাছে আমিই দুষ্টু ভালো যে আর সবাই তোমার কথা আমি যেন শুনিনে কখনোই জামা কাপড় যেন আমার সাফ থাকে না কোনোই খেলা করতে বেলা করি বৃষ্টিতে যাই ভিজে দুষ্টুপনা আরও আছে অমনি কত কি যে বাবা আমার চেয়ে ভালো সত্যি বলো তুমি তোমার কাছে করেননি কি একটুও দুষ্টুমি?
Happy Children's Day! It's your day, so enjoy it to the fullest!
My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly, but God, oh tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high.
Happy Children's Day! We wish you all!
Is this the way you wish your teacher?
Sorry, Miss!
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, Miss!
Sunita, stand up. Today, have you done your homework?
Miss,
Why? What happened to you?
there was load setting in my house.
And why didn't you light a candle and do your work?
I don't have matches.
Oh my goodness, what kind of reason? Sit down and complete your work just now.
Okay, Miss.
Khushbu, stand up. Today we will discuss some GK questions and I will check how intelligent you are. Khushbu, tell me, how can you keep your school clean?
Miss, by not coming to school.
Oh no, this is not the way you can keep your school clean. Very bad. Sit down and do your studies properly.
Okay,
Neither stand up. Can you name one famous scientist?
Aryabhat, Miss!
Aryabhat? Scientist? No, not at all.
Mr. Stammers, it means to say Alu Bhata, no?
Alu Bhaja and scientist? No matches. What do you mean?
Aryabhata,
Aryabhata, very good. But try to say nicely. Okay? Now Usha, stand up and tell me what happened in the year 1869.
Father of the nation was born.
Okay. But name, give me the name.
His name was Gandhiji.
Okay, very good.
Miss, one question.
Yes.
Miss, if he is known as the father of the nation, then who is known as the mother of the nation?
Okay, we will discuss it later on. Now sit down.
Mother. Miss, last question. Then who is known as the brother of the nation?
Okay, we can. No, stop it. Children, stop it. All that questions we can discuss later on. Parul, stand up. Now you tell me what happened in the year 1872.
Yes, Gandhiji became 3 years old.
Rubbish. This is not the right answer. Find out and next day give me the correct answer. Sit down now. Nivedita, stand up. Now, Nivedita, can you tell me the name of a desert animal?
Camel.
Okay, good. She's studying nowadays. Now, Nivedita, tell me another animal's name which is found in the desert. Say.
Miss, another camel.
No, Nivedita. Do your work nicely. Not studying at all. I hope Kajal is studying. Kajal, stand up.
Yes, Miss.
Now tell me, Kajal, what comes after A?
क्या बोलती तू?
Oh my God.
Children's Day to all the students of class 10. Every smile on your face brings a boundless joy of parenthood to our heart. Thank you.
A very happy Children's Day to all of you. We miss you all.
Happy Children's Day, children. We hope to see you all in the school campus very, very soon.
Happy Children's Day to all of you, class 10. Stay healthy and be happy. Thank you.
उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम, उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो, कभी खुशी कभी गम, तारा रम पम पम। हंसो और हंसाया करो, उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो,
कभी खुशी कभी गम, तररम पम पम। हंसो और हंसाया करो। वो प्यारे दिन और वो प्यारी रातें, याद हम मुलाकातें।
नहीं कोई गम मुझे नहीं है गिला, जिंदगी की राह में मिला है जब से तू मुझे रे हमदम। शबनम हम है और तुम शोला बन जाया करो,
कभी खुशी कभी गम, तररम पम पम। हंसो और हंसाया करो।
उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम। आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो, कभी खुशी कभी गम, तररम पम पम। हंसो और हंसाया करो।
ला 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 ला
There are incidents that break you, mold you, deform you at the same time. Bring out the best version of yourself. I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, students. If you want to success in your life, then there is no shortcut. If you have to do hard work.
নতুন নতুন পায়রাগুলো ঝোটন বেঁধেছে, ওই পাড়াতে ছেলে মেয়ে নাইতে নেমেছে। কে দেখেছে কে দেখেছে, দাদা দেখেছে। দাদার হাতে কলম ছিল, ছুঁড়ে মেরেছে। উফ, দাদা বড্ড লেগেছে।
Wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Children, stay happy, stay safe, have a great Children's Day.
দূর দীপবাসিনী দূর দীপবাসিনী, চিনি তোমারে চিনি। দারুচিনির দেশের তুমি বিদেশিনী গো, সুমন্দ ভাসিনী। দূর দীপবাসিনী, চিনি তোমারে চিনি, চিনি তোমারে চিনি। দারুচিনির দেশের তুমি বিদেশিনী গো, সুমন্দ ভাসিনী। দূর দীপবাসিনী, দূর দীপবাসিনী। বাজাও কি বুনো সুর পাহাড়ি বাঁশিতে, বাজাও কি বুনো সুর পাহাড়ি বাঁশিতে। বনান্ত ছে যায় বাসন্তী হাসিতে, তব কবরী মূলে নব এলাচের ফুল দোলে কুসুম বিলাসিনী। দূর দীপবাসিনী, চিনি তোমারে চিনি, চিনি তোমারে চিনি। দারুচিনির দেশের তুমি বিদেশিনী গো, সুমন্দ ভাসিনী। দূর দীপবাসিনী, দূর দীপবাসিনী। দূর দীপবাসিনী, দূর দীপবাসিনী। দূর
is a miracle with each having their own ways to make this world a wonderful place.
Children, you are the future of our country, so I wish you joyous and very successful Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. You are all special example.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। तुमको बुलाऊं, ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो, ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। क्या इशारा, छूकर मेरे मन को या तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को या तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, मेरे मन को या तूने क्या इशारा। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। तुमको बुलाऊं, ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो, ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो।
Happy Children's Day. Keep the child in you always alive.
Happy Children's Day. Students, enlighten your vision towards success.
We all miss you, children. Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Stay happy. Stay happy, stay safe. Have a happy Children's Day.
Hello everyone, I am a fictional character called Elsa who appears in a Walt Disney animated film called Frozen. From outside I look quite reserved, but in reality I fight with fears. I have a magical power that gives me ability to create snowman eyes. Thank you.
All a very happy Children's Day. Miss you, children. Wish you a very happy Children's Day.
लोगों किसी की जय जयकार नहीं होती। इसलिए कोशिश करते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Children are the flowers as a gift from heaven. We all love you. Be happy. Always happy Children's Day to you all. Be safe and keep healthy yourself.
Children, you all are the budding stars. Wish you cross all the life's hurdles and always be happy. Happy Children's Day to everyone.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita. सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है señorita. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है señorita.
मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita. सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या. जो भी पल बीता हे señorita, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या.
Child is like a flower, and no two flower can be compared. So never compare yourself with other. Everyone has their own ability. So believe yourself, have confidence, and shine like a star in your future.
You have to dream before your dreams come true. So work hard and put your effort to achieve whatever you have longed for. Thank you, children, and we wish you a very
Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, everyone. School is the second home for all students where they spend 6 hours of the day. We are like their parents. we have the task to build the personality of all the children entrusted in our care, and so we try to give our best. Shaping the children's personality requires skill, care, attention, firmness, and also love. St. Helens has always given its children virtue and knowledge. Our children do not hold just degrees, but virtue and knowledge in whichever field they go. Children's Day is specially celebrated to show the children how much we love you and to what extent you all are a part of our life. Teachers go out of their way, dancing, singing, acting, reciting, to bring joy and to show how important you are for us. I thank our principal sir, all my coordinators, office staff and all my teachers for making each event colorful and great. None of the teachers hesitated to do anything, rather came out with vibrant ideas. Thank you teachers, and a special mention to Mrs. Jackson and Miss Ivana Biswas for dancing just to make the children happy. Also remembering our founder principal, Mr. Paul Mangalam today. I know his soul will be very happy to see his garden of joy flourishing with vibrant faces. May the blessing of the Almighty and Saint Don Bosco be on each and every member of St. Helens family. Thank you.
सखियां ने मैनू मेरे बार दिया पुट्टियां ने चन्ना गला प्यार दिया
सखियां ने मैनू मेरे मार दिया बुढ़ियां ने गला चना प्यार दिया शाम नू तू किथे किथे नाल होना आ वेखियां मैं फोटोआं विकार दिया
डर जिहा लगदा है दिल टुट ना जाए बेचारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यार
कभी फिल्म दिखा दिया कर हो कभी कभी मैनू भी घुमा लिया कर कभी कभी फिल्म दिखा दिया कर कभी कभी मैनू भी घुमा लिया कर तुझसे कभी जो रुठ जाऊं एक बार आके मुझे तू मना लिया कर
तू जिसका तो रोके मैं करना तेरा दोबारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा ना प्लीज ऐसी गल किसे ना अज किसे नाल जो कल किसे ना तेरे नाल होना है गुजारा जत्ती दा मेरा नहीं होर कोई हल किसे ना एक पासे तू बब्बू एक पासे है जग सारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा तेरे यार बंधेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा एक तू ही है बस यारा तू ही है एक तू ही है बस यारा